Bromeliads. These plants are fascinating. Originating from the tropical regions of the Americas, they have captivated plant enthusiasts worldwide with their unique beauty and resilience. They come in many colors, from vibrant reds and oranges to soothing greens and purples. Bromeliads can add a splash of color to any space. Their leaves often have striking patterns and variegations, making each plant a unique piece of art. Their shapes are also diverse. Some are like vases, others resemble stars. Bromeliads are popular houseplants. They can be found in a variety of forms, from the tall and slender to the short and compact, fitting perfectly into any home decor. They are relatively easy to care for. With minimal watering and the right amount of light, bromeliads can thrive indoors. They are perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners looking for low-maintenance yet stunning plants. Bromeliads are more than just pretty faces. In their natural habitats, they play crucial roles in the ecosystem. Their unique structure allows them to collect water and nutrients, supporting a variety of life forms. They play important roles in their ecosystems. Bromeliads provide habitats for insects, frogs, and even small mammals. Their water-holding leaves create mini ecosystems, supporting a diverse range of species. Animals use them for food and shelter. Birds often drink from the water collected in their leaves, while insects and other small creatures find refuge within their foliage. This symbiotic relationship highlights the importance of bromeliads in nature. Join me as we explore the world of bromeliads. We'll delve into their fascinating history, discover the various species, and learn how to cultivate them successfully in our own homes and gardens. We'll learn about their unique features and how to care for them. From watering techniques to light requirements, we'll cover everything you need to know to keep your bromeliads healthy and vibrant. Bromeliads have unique characteristics. These fascinating plants are native to tropical regions and are known for their striking appearance and adaptability. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. One key feature is their leaves. Bromeliad leaves are often thick and fleshy, designed to store water and nutrients. This adaptation helps them thrive in environments where water may be scarce. These often grow in rosettes. The rosette formation allows the plant to efficiently capture and funnel water towards its center. This forms a central cup. The cup collects water. This natural reservoir not only provides hydration but also serves as a habitat for small organisms. This is important for the plant's survival. In the wild, bromeliads can be found growing on trees, rocks, and even on the ground, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Many bromeliads have colorful bracts. These are modified leaves. They surround the flowers. The bracts attract pollinators. The vibrant colors and unique shapes of the bracts make bromeliads stand out in any garden. Some bromeliads have striking patterns on their leaves. These patterns add to their visual appeal and can vary greatly between species. These patterns can be stripes, spots, or bands. Each pattern is unique and adds to the plant's overall beauty, making bromeliads a true marvel of nature. Bromeliads are native to the Americas. They grow in a variety of habitats. Some are found in rainforests, others thrive in deserts. They can even grow on rocks. One key to their survival is their adaptability. Bromeliads have adapted to different conditions. Some can tolerate drought, others thrive in humid environments. This makes them incredibly resilient plants. Section 4. Caring for bromeliads, a guide. Caring for bromeliads is relatively easy. They prefer bright, indirect light. Water should be placed in the central cup. Keep the soil slightly moist. Bromeliads don't need much fertilizer. A diluted solution once a month is enough. These plants are relatively low maintenance. This makes them a good choice for beginners. Section 5. The importance of bromeliads in their ecosystems. Bromeliads are important for ecosystems. Their water-filled cups provide habitats. Small animals like frogs use them. Insects also live in these tiny pools. This makes bromeliads a vital part of the food chain. They provide food and shelter for many creatures. Section 6. The appeal of bromeliads, why we love them. Bromeliads are popular houseplants for good reason. These fascinating plants are not only visually stunning but also incredibly versatile. They can thrive in a variety of indoor environments, making them perfect for any home. Their unique looks are appealing. Each bromeliad has its own distinct personality, with vibrant colors and intricate patterns that can brighten up any space. They add a touch of the tropics to any home. Imagine having a piece of the rainforest right in your living room, bringing a sense of exotic beauty and tranquility. They are also relatively easy to care for. Bromeliads require minimal maintenance, making them ideal for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. Just a little water and indirect sunlight and they thrive. Their variety is another attractive feature. With so many different species and hybrids, there's always something new to discover. From small, compact varieties to larger, more dramatic ones, the options are endless. With so many colors and shapes, there's a bromeliad for everyone. Whether you prefer bold, bright hues or more subtle pastel tones, you'll find a bromeliad that suits your taste. They're a beautiful and rewarding addition to any plant collection. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also bring a sense of accomplishment as you watch them grow and flourish. And